Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you step by step how to have white teeth at home in just 3 minutes, and how to whiten your yellow teeth naturally at home, means tooth whitening. Yellow teeth are bad for health and may promote tooth decay. Best home remedy to whiten teeth. Using this homemade tip you can be whitening your teeth at home and there would be no side effects. But before, if you do not subscribe yet, please do subscribe, and do not miss any of my videos, and also please like and share the video. How to help whiten teeth with baking soda. If you're looking to save money and need help whitening your teeth, use bicarbonate of soda or baking soda a couple of times per week. Baking soda will help whiten your teeth naturally and simply, without harming your tooth enamel. A home remedy for teeth whitening. If you enjoy coffee, tea, or red wine, you know that these tasty drinks can stain your teeth. Many people find that a brighter smile is a big boost to their confidence and want to know how to whiten their teeth. To help whiten your teeth, you just need baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda, an ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen or refrigerator. Baking soda makes an easy and effective DIY home remedy for teeth whitening. Studies that baking soda is an effective stain remover and whitening ingredient for oral care. How does baking soda whiten your teeth? Baking soda is good for teeth whitening because it is a very mild abrasive, which helps remove stains from the surface of your teeth. In addition, baking soda is alkaline and salty, which helps lighten acid-based food stains, such as those from coffee, tea, and red wine, on teeth. Our favorite DIY recipe for teeth whitening with baking soda. The easiest method to help whiten your teeth with baking soda is simply to mix about a teaspoon of baking soda with about a teaspoon of juice lemons and a little toothpaste in a small bowl. Roughly equal parts baking soda and lemon. You'll make a thick paste that you can apply to your teeth with your fingers or a soft bristled toothbrush. For best results, brush for about 3 minutes using circular motions, and be sure to coat all of your teeth with the paste. Gently brush all around your mouth, hitting each tooth. Do not scrub too hard or use too much force. After 3 minutes, spit out the baking soda and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water or mouthwash. Rinse your toothbrush as well. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos.